Boom. What's up, YouTube? Murtacus back here. Got my new summer ride. Super happy. I still have the Prius. As you can see, I still have the Prius. If you follow my channel, I do some POV test drives. I love cars. But this is my new ride for the summer. Plan on keeping it for the summer and then kind of flipping it, get another set of wheels for the YouTube channel. But let's make some memories with this bad boy. It's a SLK 230, 1998. The code is R170. It's the first generation. It's a hardtop convertible. Just trying to give you guys some simple information about it. I'm the third owner, I believe. Third owner. And guess what? Only 80,000 miles on the engine and transmission and the odometer. So if you know anything about Mercedes, that's pretty low mileage considering 1998, 80K miles, and it drives like a dream. I'm gonna take you on a ride, and yeah, please help my channel out, like this video, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, let's get straight into it. I love this car so much already. It's got some quirks and features. The interior is kind of shot, but 1998. But hear that engine purr. Look at the idle too. It's perfect. I mean, this thing is perfect. Temp is really good as well. And the top down feature, this is my first convertible I've ever owned, second car I've bought, and wow, that's all I gotta say is wow. Let's get straight into it. It is automatic, don't hate on me, but I got such a good deal on this car, I had to get it. Alright, how do I get out of here? Don't mind the beeping, that's actually because I put the top down manually and it's a little unhappy that I did that. See, it goes away. But just off that pull, I feel like you guys already have an idea. You can hear that exhaust too. Probably an exhaust leak, I'm not 100% sure. It might just be stock exhaust. But yeah, I'm gonna turn right on this road. This is a great road. I'll give it a little pull. Wow, you can hear that supercharger go. This is such a nice car. Like I said, 81,000 miles. Basically nothing on a car like this. I'm in a forum. I see 200K all day. Same engine, same transmission. This inline 4 is really good, supercharged. So I got 190 brake horsepower. And it's 2,700 pounds, so this thing is just absolute baller. Definitely a sportier car than my 3 Series, in my opinion. But I love the top down feeling, just having the sun, the wind. I mean, it is so nice. I get so many looks. When I go to the gas station, it's hilarious. All the Mercedes-Benz owners, shout out all Mercedes owners. I mean, you guys are awesome. They all show love. I be breaking necks. That just means like people really looking when I go down to my little town to get food. Get a lot of stares. This is a great car. I love it so much. And I'm glad I get to share it with you guys on the internet. Oh yeah. Nice little pull right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. And it's not too, it's not a V8, so I'm not, braking like, I'm not causing felonies. I'm going the speed limit and having fun doing it. And first impressions, rear wheel drive is definitely my favorite, honestly, just because I don't know, just the way it feels just feels really good. Car's super planted, very nimble. Like I can get past somebody and it's that light, you know, not too long, so it's very nimble. Can, you know, park really easy as well. But yeah, oh my goodness, it's such a beautiful day. What's the temperature? 68 degrees. It's absolutely beautiful. Sun's in my face as well. I mean, this thing is great. Got this Toyota like tailing me. I mean, you gotta chill, bro. But yeah. Other impressions, this definitely needs a little bit of maintenance, probably some control arms. I'm super OCD about cars. I worked a lot. I did a lot of DIY stuff on my 328, and I'm super glad I did because I learned so much. I did some basic maintenance on this, oil change, clean the mass airflow sensor, and yeah, it's driving really good now. And like I said, I got a custom air intake coming, and yeah, nice little road. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's that 3,000 RPM, or I'd say 2.5K, you feel that supercharge going. Oh my goodness, it just hauls like a train, like a bullet, honestly. The sensation is phenomenal. And just, oh my gosh, I'm ecstatic. I can't explain the feeling in words, but it's just such a good feeling. I love going to the gym now in this car. Keep in mind, I'm coming from a Prius for a little bit because I sold my 3 Series, so I was whipping the Prius like every day for months. And to drive this thing now is just so much fun. Never had a supercharged engine, and man, does that modification to the engine do really well. I always give thumbs up to the Benz owners. This thing is so much fun to drive. If you're in the market, pick one of these up. I got such a good deal, and I slapped historic tags on it, so if it's over 20 years in my state, just register it, inspection, and I take this like for its purpose. Its purpose is for like car shows, can't be a daily driver, but I have a Prius, so you know, I just want to be, you know, a law-abiding citizen. I respect my country, and yeah, I love the USA. So, whoa, what is that on the road? Is that a shopping? That's a guy pushing a shopping cart.